In Ecuador, more than 570 people have died since a magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck the Pacific Coast region of the country. Among the dead are 6 members of the Servant Sisters of the Home of the Mother and a young nun from Northern Ireland.
Members of the U.S. Church are already beginning to respond, first through aid and then through plans of long-term help. It's so important for people to have a center to grab hold of, and the church provides that.
Por ahorita por ahí así sus cositas están llegando, sí, pero no es cosas de que tampoco vienen las velas, no vienen los fósforos, no vienen para los moscos, que también de eso tenemos que cuidarnos porque ahorita no hay medicina, no hay nada, no hay un lugar para poder, si uno cae mal, enferma, alguna cosa.
The first thing I'm hearing is that the sisters and the priests are mobilizing the community within Ecuador to respond as much as they can. Second, there's an immediate response. I know that the Latin American desk at the Bishops' Conference, for example, they are already in conversation with that. Again, trying to recreate that center for the people so that they have a place that they can gravitate towards. Third, we've been in direct contact with the Servant Sisters to see what their next steps are. And as I understand it, the Mother Superior and the founder of the order are already on their way to Ecuador to assess it directly.
Hay que levantarse. Yo no soy nada pesimista. Hay que levantarse, hay que seguir adelante.